This is resetting the oil maintenance light for a 2008 Toyota RAV4. What you're going to do is turn the key on to the second position. You're going to make sure that this trip A is shown by pressing the ODO button right here. Cycle through till you get to trip A. At this point, what you're going to want to do is turn the key off, hold down the ODO button, and turn the key to the second position. These dots will come up, the maintenance light will flash, and then that's going to reset the oil maintenance light for this vehicle. To check it, all you have to do is start the vehicle, and the odometer should be shown up with no maintenance light on the bottom right corner. And that's how you check or you reset the oil maintenance light for a 2008 Toyota RAV4. Thank you.